Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both of arms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Know your experiences. Bring the hands down. How are you, ever?
So I'm very good. It was really peaceful. It's like collecting myself from all the distractions and keeping myself very clear.
Very clear. Very good. That should be the state of the mind all the time. How are you, Stephen?
I'm good. Um, that was the meditation was for me on three different levels. But the first part of the meditation, I was in such a deep state of just being. I heard you, and I know I was listening to you because it led to my second experience. But that first experience was just pure nothingness. My
Beautiful.
second part of it became this moment of just constant contemplation between the topic of perception and reality, and it all came together for me. Whether this is right or wrong, was the fact that the mind just represents the perception, and everything that goes on between the likes, the dislikes, the pleasure, the non-pleasure, all that other stuff is just the absolute perception, and the reality is truly just consciousness.
Yeah,
And
beautiful.
and and the third part was I wasn't in that deep state that I was on the first part of my meditation, but I stopped contemplating. I just listened to the lesson. Thoughts came in about contemplating this perception and reality, but I just let them all go and just was in the state of just meditating. It was just
Meditating.
beautiful.
What a beautiful way. You know, the first part, you said that it was a state of the nothingness. So, in that nothingness, we understood that part of nothingness that only the knower remains. The rest is all about perception and projection. And once we are settled there, we are there. How are you, Brandy?
Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. Thanks for the lesson and the meditation. My practice was really deep and dark and quiet, peaceful today. And at the beginning of it, I realized that I wasn't getting tripped up on things in my mind, which is why it was peaceful. And then I just dropped in.
Drop.
Nothing.
Beautiful. Beautiful. How are you, Sam?
I'm good. For about, I think about half the meditation, I was dealing with the heaviness of the head again. I think you mentioned something, but the answer was just to become more aware of it, and I was able to control everything. And as soon as my awareness came back up, everything was fine.
Yeah. 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 So when we say I was able to control, it simply means that consciousness separated, the knower separated itself from the knower. Beautiful. How are you, Anastasia?
Thank you very much. I'm good. I felt my body was heavy at the same time, and inside I felt very light. And I had also a lot of contemplation and reflection because I'm struggling with my mind. And but at the same time, during this process of thinking what is happening around, I felt very easy and light. It's a beautiful meditation. Thank you very much.
Beautiful. You have to apply the same in your daily life and activities.
I am trying so hard.
Trying so hard? Very good. Don't try hard. Simply be there. So when you try so hard, you are trying either on someone else outside. That is the problem. How are you, Ashok?
Sir, namaste. I'm good and peaceful, and contemplation and reflection is going on throughout the day.
Yeah, good.
I'm not the body, not the physical body, not the subtle body, not the causal body, not the four
Yes.
sheets, three states.
Yes, the beginning has been made. So first,
Yes,
when
yes,
we
yes, yes.
say I'm not the physical body, I am conscious of the physical body, means the consciousness is behind the cognition of the physical body. That will validate. This is contemplation.
Ji.
So first there should be a contemplation, a clarity. And second is the reflection. Reflection means removing the doubt. Then you say, I'm not the body, will work.
Ji.
If you say mentally and if your honey listens to it, I'm not the body, then why you are staying in my house? Get out. So, that will happen. No. Internally. Contemplation means knowledge, clarity. So when there is a clarity, and after that, I am not the body. It will work. It is working. That is all for today. We'll meet again on Monday. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you.